Imagine earning $6 per sale, and now picture a design that has already accumulated a staggering 8,901 sales. Let's do the math together. 8,901 multiplied by $6.82 equals a remarkable $60,570. That's right, this person has made over $60,000. Now, wouldn't you like to learn how to achieve the same success? Today, I'm here to guide you through simple steps that will help you reach those impressive numbers and generate a substantial income. I'm going to show you how you can create stunning Canva invitation templates to sell on Etsy and make passive income. And the best part? We'll be using ChatGPT and Canva together to achieve this. So, let's get started. The first step is to create an account on Canva. If you don't have one already, head over to canva.com and sign up. It's a free and user-friendly platform that offers a wide range of design tools and templates. Once you're signed up, you'll have access to a variety of design options, including invitation templates. Now, let's move on to Step 2. In Step 2, we'll be creating our own invitation template using Canva. This is where your creativity shines. Choose a niche or category that you're interested in, such as wedding invitations or birthday party invites. Once you've selected your niche, it's time to design your template. Canva offers a wide range of design elements, fonts, and colors to choose from. You can even upload your own images or use the ones provided by Canva. Remember, quality is key. Make sure your template stands out and appeals to your target audience. Take your time to create something visually appealing and unique. Now that you've designed your template, it's time to create a link for it. This will allow your customers to access and customize the template. We'll be using Canva's shareable link feature. Simply click on the Share button in Canva, adjust the sharing settings if needed, and copy the link. This link will be used later when we create our Etsy listing. Moving on to Step 4, we need to create an Etsy account. If you already have one, feel free to skip this step. But if you're new to Etsy, let's set up your own shop. To create an Etsy account, go to Etsy.com and click on Sell on Etsy. Follow the instructions to set up your shop. Take your time to choose a catchy shop name that represents your brand. Congratulations on setting up your Etsy shop. Now, it's time to list your Canva invitation template for sale. Log into your Etsy account and click on Sell on Etsy. Then, go to Listings and select Add a Listing. Here, you'll provide all the necessary details for your template. Make sure to upload a catchy template photo that grabs buyers' attention. Write a compelling description and set a competitive price based on market research. To create an informative listing, you need to include relevant product details such as a title, listing description, and categories. ChatGPT can assist you in crafting an appealing title that includes relevant keywords for better search visibility. Just ask ChatGPT, please generate a unique and captivating title for my invitation template. Make sure it grabs attention and conveys the excitement of the event. Additionally, it can help you write a persuasive and engaging listing description for my invitation templates on Etsy. Ask ChatGPT to highlight the unique features, customization options, and the overall value they offer. Appeal to potential buyers' emotions and convince them why my templates are the perfect choice for their special occasions. Show them how our designs will make their event unforgettable. Instruct ChatGPT to write a description that entices and motivates them to click Add to Cart. ChatGPT will provide personalized suggestions to entice potential buyers and increase conversion rates. Just provide clear instructions to ChatGPT on what you're looking for in terms of the title and listing description for your invitation template. Additionally, ChatGPT can provide guidance on selecting appropriate categories for your templates to ensure they are easily discoverable by interested buyers. Don't forget to include the Canva template link we created earlier in the description or as a separate PDF file. This is the file that buyers will receive when they make a purchase. Before making your listing live, it's crucial to review and double-check all the information and visuals. ChatGPT can act as your virtual assistant, helping you proofread your listing, suggesting edits to improve clarity, and providing a fresh pair of eyes to catch any errors or inconsistencies. Once you are satisfied with everything, you can either save the listing as a draft or publish it to make it available for buyers. Additionally, ChatGPT can assist you with pricing strategy and competitive analysis, You can ask ChatGPT specific questions related to pricing your products, formulating a competitive pricing strategy, and analyzing the competition in your market. ChatGPT can provide guidance based on market research, helping you strike a balance between competitiveness and profitability. In summary, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can support you throughout the Etsy listing process. From crafting compelling descriptions to proofreading your listing and providing guidance on pricing and competitive analysis, ChatGPT can be a valuable resource to help you optimize your listings and increase your chances of attracting buyers. Now that your template is listed on Etsy, let's talk about how ChatGPT can help you boost your sales and optimize your Etsy shop. ChatGPT can assist you in various ways, such as improving your Etsy shop's SEO, providing social media campaign ideas, optimizing email marketing strategies, offering customer service tips, and even recommending printing options for your templates. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT and Canva, you can enhance your selling potential and maximize your passive income on Etsy. That's it for today's video on how to create Canva invitation templates to sell on Etsy and make passive income with the help of ChatGPT. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.